Hello friends, I'm Neetu Vas. I welcome you all in yours favorite YouTube channel, the GS Sutra. Friends, today I bring you 100 sport related questions. So I hope you will like all these questions. All these questions will be equally useful for your forthcoming examinations. So friends, you will see a question carefully. Let's go to your first question. Our first question is, the term LBW is associated with which game? Your answer is cricket. The term LBW is associated with cricket. Come to second question. Misha Grewal is associated with which game or sport? Your answer is squash. Misha Grewal is associated with squash game. Come to question number 3. Where did Mahendra Singh Dhoni make his ODI debut? Your answer is Chittagong. Question number 4. How many centuries in Test did Sunil Gavaskar bag when he retired? Your answer is 34 centuries in Test Sunil Gavaskar bag when he retired. Come to question number 5. Ben Johnson, the well-known athlete, belongs to which country? Friends, your answer is Canada. Ben Johnson is related to Canadian country. Come to question number 6. Limbaram is known for his outstanding performance in which game? Your answer is archery. Limbaram is known for his outstanding performance in archery. Come to question number 7. The name of Prakash Padukone is associated with which game? Friends, your answer is badminton. Is one of the most important questions you have to note down in your notebook. Come to question number 8. Who emerged the winner of the 2016 US Open Women's Single Final? Your answer is Angelique Kerber. Angelique Kerber emerged the winner of the 2016 US Open Women's in Single Finals. Come to question number 9. Which is the only golfer to win the Masters tournament 6 times? Your answer is Jack Nicklaus. Jack Nicklaus is the only golfer to win the Masters tournament 6 times. Come to question number 10. Who was the first black tennis player to win a Wimbledon title? Your answer is Althea Gibson. Friends, Althea Gibson was the first black tennis player to win a Wimbledon title. Come to question number 11. Who was the first Indian to win an individual medal in Olympics? Friends, your answer is KD Yadav. KD Yadav is the first Indian to win an individual medal in Olympics. Come to question number 12. Who is the highest wicket taker in the world in one-day cricket? Your answer is Muthiah Muralidharan. Friends, one of the important question. You have to note down this. Muthiah Muralidharan is the highest wicket taker in the world in one-day cricket. Come to question number 13. Who has become the first Indian to score a triple century in Test? Friends, your answer is Virender Sehwag. One of the most important question for the point of view of forthcoming examinations. Friends, Virender Sehwag has become the first Indian to score a triple century in Test. Come to question number 14. When did Sachin Tendulkar make his Test debut? Your answer is 1989. Sachin Tendulkar made his Test debut. Come to question number 15. What is the duration of a basketball match both before and after the break? Your answer is 25 minutes. Is the duration of basketball match both before and after the break. 26. Michael Ferreira is associated with which game or sport? Your answer is billiards. Question number 27. Who was named India's cricketer of the century by Wisden? Your answer is Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev was named India's cricketer of the century by Wisden. Question number 28. Michael Ferreira is associated with which game? Your answer is snooker. Question number 29. The first Indian to cross 7 important seas by swimming. It's a very easy question, friends. Your answer is Bulaj Chaudhary. Bulaj Chaudhary was the first Indian to cross 7 important seas by swimming. Come to question number 30. Which is the most Sutherland Test match grounds of England? Your answer is Lords. Question number 31. How long are professional golf tour players allotted per shot? Your answer is 45 seconds. Question number 32. Shiny Wilson is associated with which game or sport? Your answer is athletics. Shiny Wilson is known as athletics. Question number 33. The Olympic Museum was opened at which place? Your answer is Lausanne. Come to question number 34. Against which team did Virendra Sehwag make his one-day international debut? Your answer is Pakistan. Against Pakistan team, Virendra Sehwag made his one-day international debut. I think you all know very well this question. Come to question number 35. The name of Geoff Beckett is associated with which game? Your answer is cricket. Question number 36. The name Kunjarani Devi is associated with which game? Your answer is, and it's a very easy and important question, friends, weightlifting. Kunjarani Devi is associated with weightlifting. Come to question number 37. Regatta is associated with which sports events? Your answer is rowing. Come to question number 38. Which cup or trophy is associated with football? Your answer is Santosh Trophy. It's an important question, friends. You have to note down in your notebook. Question number 39. Praveen Amre and Vinod Kambli played for which province in South Africa? Your answer is Boland. Come to question number 40. With which sport is Leroy Burrell associated? Your answer is athletics. Leroy Burrell is associated with athletics. Come to question number 41. Bahadur Singh is a distant guise athlete of which game? Your answer is athletics. Come to question number 42. As Vijay Lakshmi and Nisha Mohita are associated with which game? Your answer is chess. Come to question number 43. Who became the first woman in the world to ski to the North Pole? Your answer is Anne Benoraft. Come to question number 44. Who was the first Indian woman to scale the Mount Everest? Your answer is one of the most important question, friends. You have to note down this. Bichendri Pal. Bichendri Pal was the first Indian woman to scale the Mount Everest. Come to question number 45. Who was the first Indian to win the World Amateur Billiards title? Your answer is Wilson Jones. This is another important question, friend. You have to note down also this. Come to question number 46. What is the name of the person that controls a football match? Your answer is an umpire. Umpire is the person that controls a football match. Come to question number 47. Which player has scored the most run in a single test innings? Your answer is Brian Lara. Friends, Brian Lara has scored the most run in a single test innings. One of the important question. Come to question number 48. Susi Sushanti held the Grand Slam title in which game? Your answer is badminton. Come to question number 49. Which game is Davis Cup associated with? Your answer is tennis. Tennis is related to Davis Cup. Come to 50 questions. Irani Trophy is associated with which sports? Your answer is cricket. India won the last hockey Olympic gold in which year? Your answer is 1980 in Moscow. Come to question number 52. Famous golf player Vijay Singh is from which country? Your answer is Fiji. Come to 53. Gambit is the term associated with which game? Your answer is chess. Come to question number 54. The famous sportsman Michael Jordan is associated with which game? Your answer is basketball. Come to 55. Who became the youngest Grandmaster of India? It's a very, very important question, friends. You have to note down Parimardhan Negi. Friends, Parimardhan Negi became the youngest Grandmaster of India. Come to question number 56. With which game in Cristiano Ronaldo associated? He is associated with football. Come to question number 57. Where did India made her debut in Olympic football? Your answer is London in 1948. London in 1948. France, India made her debut in Olympic football. Come to 58. What can be the maximum length of a cricket bat? Your answer is 32. 59. What is the name of the mascot of the 2018 FIFA World Cup? Your answer is Zabika, a wolf. Come to question number 60. Who became the first Indian to take 16 wickets in a single test match? Your answer is Narendra Hirwani. Narendra Hirwani became the first Indian to take 16 wickets in a single test match. Come to next question. Question number 61. Chinaman refers to which game? Chinaman was friends is referred to cricket. It's a very important question. Come to 62. Which country won the first World Cup cricket tournament in 1975? In 1975, West Indies won the first World Cup cricket tournament in 1975. Come to question number 63. In baseball, the two opposing teams consist of how many players? In a basketball, the two opposing teams consist of 9 players in each side. Come to question number 64. Parimazal Negi has excelled in which game? Your answer is chess. Important question, you have to note down. Come to 65. Where did India first win the Olympic hockey gold? Your answer is Amsterdam. In Amsterdam, India first won the Olympic hockey gold. This is also important question, friends. Come to 66. What is the distance between popping trees and stumps on cricket pitch? Your answer is 3.5 feet. Come to 67. The Winter Olympic came into being in which year? 1924. Come to 68. The term tea is connected with which game? Your answer is golf. In which country were the first Asian Games held? Your answer is India. Question number 70. Sachin Tendulkar scored his 100th international century against with which country? Your answer is Bangladesh. Against Bangladesh, Sachin Tendulkar scored his first Asian Games held. Your answer is India. Question number 70. Sachin Tendulkar scored his 100th international century against with which country? Your answer is Bangladesh. Against Bangladesh, Sachin Tendulkar scored his 100th international century against Bangladesh. Come to 71. Kamlesh Mehta has distinguished himself in which game? Your sports? Your answer is table tennis. Kamlesh Mehta has distinguished with table tennis. Come to 72. When sports personality is known as the Paoli Express? Your answer is P.T. Usha. P.T. Usha is known as the Paoli Express. Come to 73. Queensberry Rules is the name given a gift to the rules in which game? Your answer is boxing. Queensberry Rules is associated with the games boxing. You have to note down this question. Come to 74. Which Indian batsman was the first to hit 44 fours in a test match innings? Your answer is Lakshman. Come to 75. Which country was readmitted to the Olympics after her 21-year suspension? Your answer is South Africa. Come to 76. When did the first Commonwealth Games take place? Your answer is 1930. In 1930, the first Commonwealth Games took place. 77. Which country has hosted the Asian Games for maximum number of times? Your answer is Thailand. Come to 78. In which year did the first Olympic Games take place? Your answer is 1896. Come to 79. The Asian Games were held in Delhi for the first time in which year? Your answer is 1951. Come to 80. Who has won Man of the Match award in the 2011 World Cup cricket? Your answer is MS Dhoni has won Man of the Match award in the 2011 World Cup cricket. Come to 81. How many squares are there in a chessboard? Your answer is 64. There are 64 squares are there in a chessboard. Come to 82. Olympic Games after 4th century AD started under IOC from which year? Your answer is 1896. Come to 83. The World Cup Cricket 2020 title in the 2012 was won by which country? Your answer is Australia. 84. How many players are there in a baseball team? Your answer is 9. By which country? Your answer is Australia. 84. How many players are there in a baseball team? Your answer is 9 players are there in a baseball team. You have to note down this. Come to question number 85. The team deuce is common in which two games? Your answer is badminton and tennis. Come to 86. How many players are there on each side in a basketball match? Your answer is 5. There are 5 players are there on each side in a baseball match. Come to 87. Chris Evans name is associated with which sports? Your answer is tennis. 88. Which place is known as the Mecca of Indian football? Your answer is Kolkata. 89. The famous player Pele is associated with which game? Your answer is football. Come to 89. The famous player Pele is associated with which game? Your answer is football. Come to question number 90. Which game is not included in the Olympic Games? Your answer is cricket. Friends, I'll tell you, cricket game is not included in the Olympic Games. 91. If you scored cannon, which game would you be playing? Your answer is billiards. 92. The Dronacharya Award for sports coaches was instituted in which year? Your answer is 1985. 93. What is the middle name of the world-class batsman Sachin Tendulkar? Your answer is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Ramesh. 94. How many players are there on each side in a women's baseball game? Your answer is 6. 95. Who is the leading wicket taker in the history of Test cricket? Your answer is Shane Warne. Shane Warne belongs to Australia team. 96. Where did the first ODI match was placed in India? Your answer is Ahmedabad. In Ahmedabad, the first ODI match was placed in India. 97. Who won the hockey gold man in the 1992 Barcelona games? Your answer is Germany. 98. With which game is the double fault associated? Your answer is football. Football game is the double fault associated. 99. How many gold medals did PT Usha win in the 1986 Seoul Asian Games? Your answer is 4. And this is one of the important question, friends. You have to note down in your notebook. Come to last question. Question number 100. India reached the final of the Davis Cup for the first time in which year? Your answer is 1966. So friends, if you have any doubt in your mind regarding any question, you can also give me suggestions by commenting in the comment box related to this video. This is enough for today, friends. Children, bye bye.